Guys, this is my 2022 and probably going out to around midway to 2023. So it's a 12 to 18 month Bitcoin analysis and price prediction. I'm going to be telling you in this video why I am heavily in USDT right now and other stable coins like USD and UST. So let's get on with the video and I'll show you exactly how I'm interpreting the charts right now. By the way, before anybody says I'm pessimistic or I'm a non-believer, up until around this point here, 6th of December, about 80% of my wealth was in cryptocurrency, and I am still mid-long term extremely bullish about crypto. And don't you worry, I will be accumulating at the lower prices that I anticipate over the next 6, 12 and 18 months. Let's talk about it. So without any further delay, guys, it will really help this video and support the channel if you could leave a like down below. Make sure you're subscribed as well, because I talk about daily price action, Bitcoin, Ethereum every day, and you don't want to miss an update there. So let's look at this together objectively. What we're currently seeing is a consolidation from the all-time high price in November, when we were trading up at about 69,000. We did come down as low as about 50%. We're now down about 40%. We're consolidating this tightening range. We don't have that long to go within this consolidation. Now, what's making me think that this is now the beginning of, let's say, more of a, I don't want to say a crypto winter, but a bigger bear market. This already is a bear market, but let's just call it a bigger bear market. We can go back to the previous all-time high. Look at this in the end of 2017, where we had a peak up at about $20,000. Things look very, very similar. So you had a peak and you ultimately came down, and then you consolidated before a bigger move down. And then lo and behold, we entered this slowdown throughout 2018, where the price actually came through and then plummeted even further down, where the price reached its plateau down at about $3,000. That was terrible, but a great time to buy. And I did accumulate a lot of Bitcoin around that time, I'm pleased to say. So I hope you did too. If you didn't, don't worry. This is what this video is all about. I believe there will be lower prices. My alarm's going off. It says time to buy some Bitcoin. No, not really. I don't think it's time to buy Bitcoin right now. I believe it's time to be cautious. Look how similar this pattern is, right, to this pattern that we're currently seeing. Very, very similar. In terms of percentage, from the top to the consolidation middle, 40%. If we look at this target here, from the top to the consolidation middle, 40%. Now, obviously, in the last cycle, from top to bottom, we actually came down in terms of percentage about 84%. Now, because Bitcoin is more mature now, there's more money in this space, there's institutional investors, and it's just been going on a bit longer. I'm not anticipating an 80% correction. However, the correction we could anticipate could be quite drastically lower than where we are now. Now, even out of this consolidation that we're in, we're going to have a target out of this initially at about $26,000. You could have made the same case when we had this in 2018, and you would have had the same sort of scenario unfold. Widest part of the triangle, breakdown point, and lo and behold, we met that target. That acted as a support for a while, but lo and behold, it did come down and break. I'm anticipating the correction to be not as bad as 80%. Now, this is where it could be. So first of all, there is this support line still for the Bitcoin price at 29,000. 29,000 is also a Fibonacci retracement level from the cycle swing low. So if you go swing low to swing high, that Fibonacci golden pocket, that ratio actually lines up perfectly with that target. So you're bound to see some support down at 25,000, 26 to 27, even up to 28, 29,000. Basically, between 26,000 and 29,000 should act as a significant support. However, I don't believe that in terms of percentage-wise, that would be enough of a drop for this to constitute bear market. It would be about between a 58 and 60% correction, but 58 and 62% correction. What's key though is there would be another level down at 17,950. Now, if you run Fibonacci levels from the previous example, you basically go much lower into it. But what we're currently seeing here is, going by the previous high, you do have a level down at 18,000, and there will inevitably be strong support here. That's the next support after you breach that level, which is down at about 19,000. So my prediction going past for the next 12 to 18 months, guys, is obviously quite bearish. And the way that I'm going to be managing that is by shorting the market. You can make a lot of money when the market's going down by shorting it. And then, of course, once the prices have bottomed out or nearly bottomed out, you can start buying again from the profit of your short. The way that I do that, guys, is on BITGET. It's the best crypto trading platform, really easy to use. Takes about 30 seconds to sign up. And using my link down below, when you deposit at least $500, you will get a $3,000 bonus, a free crypto trade. Essentially, you have to use it in one trade, but once you deposit, you'll get up to $3,000 for free to trade. So I'm anticipating that we could at least come down to this level. But lo and behold, my prediction, next 12 to 18 months, I believe we will see around 17,000 to about $19,600. That would not surprise me, and that could be the new bottom. If we didn't get supported at this level, we could come down all the way to around sort of $13,000 to $15,000 level. That would constitute my prediction, the bear market theses that I believe we're in. I'm not confident to say the bear market will last as long as last time. I do expect prices to reach their bottom by the end of this year even. But this is now the time to get excited, because you can short the market on the way down. At the moment, we're in this continuation pattern. And like I've said, I am expecting prices to reach around this level. In the meantime, we can accumulate by shorting if the market does continue down. Of course, if I'm wrong, I'm also happy to be wrong, because then, you know, this was a correction and we can start buying again. The only point at which my prediction becomes invalidated, a lot of you will be wondering, well, where do I sort of cancel out my bearish theses for the midterm? Well, it would basically be if we hold above $47,000 on at least a weekly candle. If we can confirm above 47,000, hold it for a weekly candle, yeah, I get bullish again, and basically this video goes out of the window. So, but for now, my prediction is 2022 to mid 2023, lower prices somewhere between initially 29 to 26,000, potentially as low as 17, but more likely around sort of the $20,000 mark. That would be my price prediction for Bitcoin. Do leave your comments below and let me know what you think. And of course, if you want to take advantage of all the volatility in between, guys, why don't you learn with myself and my community where we teach trading? It doesn't matter if the market's going up or down. You can make huge amounts of money trading crypto using leverage, using the Trading Academy. Myself and my coaches do interactive lessons. It's all over Discord, guys. We have real-time trade setup channels, interactive live streaming videos of myself and my coaches, whether you're a complete beginner or more of an intermediate, and you can learn completely in your own time on your mobile or through Discord on your computer. It's perfect for everyone, and right now we're running 33% off. I do advise to click the Patreon link because it will give you all the information. But when you eventually sign up, if you're happy with everything and you think it's for you, do use this link here and or one of these Stripe links. It directs you to the same page because we're running a huge discount right now, where currently monthly is $119.20 for the month. So join us there. Thank you for joining me. Do check out any one of these videos before you go. Share this if you found value. Smash the like button and make sure you're subscribed. Turn the bell on for future videos. Take care, guys.